I can feel the storm calling my name tonight, like something is hiding somewhere inside the darkness. Every step feels heavier, as if the night itself is watching where I am going. I am not afraid of the shadow, because sometimes the shadow is waiting for you to turn around. I don't know who follows me, but I know fear is their only weapon.
Now you can generate unlimited images and videos in anime style, train your own custom models, and even build your own AI production studio. Anime AI has improved rapidly in recent years, making it easier than ever to generate beautiful anime-style characters. But once you try creating something more complex, the problems start showing up. Multi-character scenes break apart. Complex clothing layers become unstable. Facial expressions feel strangely flat, and manga panels rarely stay consistent across a sequence. So the big question creators are starting to ask is this: are we about to see the next major leap in anime AI models? The answer might be yes. And today, I'm going to show you a platform that's already pushing anime AI in that direction. And don't worry, you will get daily 10,000 free credits for anime creation. So pay very close attention. And without wasting any more time, let's start the video. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Pro Secret. The tool we are using today is called PixAI. The truth is, most AI art tools are still general-purpose models trying to imitate anime style. But anime creation is different. It requires character identity, it requires narrative structure, and it requires consistency across scenes. This is where PixAI becomes interesting. It's built specifically for anime and ACG creators. With millions of monthly users, the platform focuses on character design, storytelling visuals, and high-quality anime-style content generation. And that specialization makes a real difference. Now let me show you how you can actually generate anime AI images. You'll find the link in the description, or you can simply search PixAI and you'll land on the platform. After signing up, look at the left sidebar and click on Generation. This will bring you to the main creation interface. Here, you'll see the prompt box. And this is the most important part of the entire process. PixAI's natural language understanding is practically flawless. Here's what makes this platform stand out. Its baseline image generation is already extremely strong. You can give it a very simple prompt. Next, choose the image model. Click on Show More LoRa Models, and you'll see a wide range of image models available. Models are essentially a pre-trained system that understands how to generate images based on the prompts you provide. They are like the brains of your artwork. Each model has their own unique style and capabilities. For example, some models are trained to create photorealistic images. Some are specialized in anime-style art. Some focus on specific artistic techniques like watercolor or oil painting. The model you choose will heavily influence the look and feel of your final artwork. It's one of the most important decisions in your creative process. You can choose from trending, highly rated, or purpose-built models, depending on whether you want clean character art, cinematic scenes, or story-focused visuals. For this example, I'm selecting Tsubki 1.1. Simply click Use this model, and the model will be selected. Now, head over to the LoRas. LoRas are small add-on models that teach the AI a specific style, character, or look without changing the main AI model. It is a small add-on model that find the main AI to generate a specific character, style, outfit, or look more accurately, without retraining or changing the entire base model. You can choose from trending, highly rated, or purpose-built LoRas. Once selected, confirm your choice. After that, choose your aspect ratio, depending on the type of image you want to generate. You can also generate single or batch images, and add a negative prompt if you want to remove unwanted elements from the image. Once everything is set, simply click Generate, and the AI will create the image for you. Just look at the quality. With only a basic prompt, PixAI generates images that are sharp, expressive, and full of life. Every frame feels like a scene straight out of a high-budget anime. But when you start feeding PixAI detailed, layered instructions, that's where it truly shows its power. I used this detailed prompt and generate images using the same LoRa model. It gave this result. High quality, sharp, and visually impressive anime artwork. I also generated these images, and as you can see, PixAI deliver high quality, professional anime images. One of the strongest features of PixAI is character consistency. You can upload a reference image if you want the AI to maintain the same character appearance across multiple generations. This is perfect if you are building a story character. You can generate front view character sheets, side views, Emotional expression variations. Story scene illustrations. Try adding narrative elements to your prompts, for example. Same character walking through a dark fantasy street, serious emotional expression, cinematic lighting. This helps the AI preserve identity across scenes. Click Generate. And now you have consistent visuals for the same character. For video-style outputs, focus on motion-based prompts. Use keywords like slow cinematic movement, wind effects, smooth camera motion, storytelling animation style. A strong anime video prompt could look like this. Same detailed anime girl with long silver hair and red jacket walking slowly through a neon-lit city street at night, wind flowing through her hair and clothes, soft cinematic lighting, reflections on wet roads, smooth camera tracking from front angle, shallow depth of field, storytelling anime animation style, high detail, 16:9 aspect ratio. After writing your prompt, adjust your output settings, click Generate, and wait for processing. The result is a smooth, cinematic anime-style video ready for use. The result PixAI generated is really impressive. The motion feels smooth, the clothing stay consistent in every single movement, and the overall anime vibe is surprisingly professional. I also make this video using PixAI, and the character is 100% consistent in all scenes. Full result you will see in a bit. PixAI goes far beyond just anime image generation. Inside the platform, you'll find a growing toolbox designed to support creators at every stage of the creative process, from image generation to refinement and experimentation. But one of PixAI's biggest strengths is its community-driven ecosystem. On the homepage, you can explore works created by other users, study their styles, and get inspiration from real, high-quality creations made on the platform. PixAI also offers active community support, including a dedicated Discord server where creators share prompts, techniques, updates, and feedback in real time. This shows that PixAI isn't just a tool, it's continuously expanding into a complete AI-powered creative ecosystem built to serve anime and ACG creators as an all-in-one platform. The anime AI space is evolving because creators now want more control, not just pretty images. If this evolution continues, anime AI will move far beyond simple image generation. Looking ahead, anime AI tools will likely become even more advanced. Creators may soon be able to generate multi-panel story sequences in one click, unified character design packs, subtle, expressive micro-emotions, physics-based lighting and accurate perspective. The demand for commercial-grade, stable anime content will only continue to grow. The anime AI space is evolving extremely fast, and if anime-focused platforms like PixAI continue improving their model architecture, we may see a major leap in quality very soon. The future of anime AI creation is genuinely exciting. Now let's watch my generation.
I can feel the storm calling my name tonight, like something is hiding somewhere inside the darkness. Every step feels heavier, as if the night itself is watching where I am going. I am not afraid of the shadow, because sometimes the shadow is waiting for you to turn around. I don't know who follows me, but I know fear is their only weapon. If darkness wants me, then let it come, because I was born to walk through it. Tonight is the night the darkness learns my name. I will keep walking forward, because tomorrow still belongs to those who refuse to surrender.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.